Right. Hello, folks. Welcome to another Bitcoin review. Gonna be going over the different time frames. Finally, some volatility in the markets since we've been trading in a range here for quite a while. Finally, saw some action. So we have a lot to talk about. Okay, gonna start off on the higher time frames again. And then work my way through the lower time frames. So first off, in the previous reviews, we talked about being bearish with all of these lows left unswept here, here, and then the highs taken out. Okay, we saw an ugly bump here just to take out another high, stop out lots of shorts to then just nuke it in the other way. But yeah, the overall analysis from the previous reviews was correct that we would see some lower prices to take out all of this liquidity. Now, starting off on the weekly, no, I'm gonna start off on the daily actually, and going back to December 2020 before the all-time high break. This is, I think, a big level. Why? Initial high that got swept, retest, nuke, resistance again, and then once we closed above, it started running. So that is gonna be a key level, I think. And if you take a look at how price reacts to that area now, you can see that this has been pivotal as well. Not necessarily that this line, but just this area in general. Okay, so let's mark it out with an area. So in my opinion, we're sitting at support. Now we took out this key low. What was the low that led to, what was the high that led to this low? It's gonna be this one. So from this high to this low, we have a clean range. Boom. And as you can see how beautifully the mid-range is pivotal. Support to the tick. So high swept, got some other sweeps here of the highs, but then ultimately closed back below. Target was range low, that got taken out now. Good. Now that we're here, what do we want to see, right? So in order for this to get bullish again, obviously we want to see a reclaim of range low. If we see a reclaim of range low, which lines up with, yeah, obviously this range low and then this one as well. So these equal lows. If we see a reclaim of that, I think we'll be targeting mid-range at least. Take out these highs, liquidity above here. And then we'll have to see if we sweep the highs and reject again. Well, then it's time to look for shorts again. Probably swing shorts all the way down to these lows. If not, and we break above here, then I think we target range high and above range high, then it's off to 29k. Okay, so what am I waiting for? So yeah, just one more scenario is if we don't reclaim, if we just retest this range low and start nuking. If we see ugly price action here and some lower time frame sweeps of the highs get sold into, well, then I think we won't even make it back to this mid-range and we'll be trading straight towards this lower liquidity at 18.5k. And at that point, yeah, we'll have to see either we sweep the lows and see a big bounce, then I think that could be the temporary low in. And if we don't close ugly, then we probably see another big nuke towards some higher time frame levels here at 12.5, 13k ultimately. Okay, so that's basically what I'm watching here. Currently I'm flat. What are the trades that I the trigger plans that I'm waiting for? Either show strength above range low, yeah, then I'll be looking for longs towards these highs and our mid-range. Look for weakness, so local sweeps into range low, look for weakness, then I'll be shorting, or look for shorts on weakness above here into our mid-range. Okay, hope that's clear, hope you enjoyed. Thanks to our sponsor PrimeXBT, check them out, link is in the description. as well as a promo code you can use to get up to $7,000 in bonus. So definitely worth checking them out. All right, peace out.